FaceTime has received several notable features in macOS 15, and one of my favorite FaceTime features is the ability to change the background. Apart from offering some ready-made backgrounds, FaceTime also lets you set a photo as the background on your Mac. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first up, you have to launch the FaceTime app on your Mac running macOS 15 or later. And then you have to click on the FaceTime icon at the top. After that, ensure that the background button is enabled. And then you have to click on the custom background icon. And then you have to click on the photo tab. After that, you have to click on the plus button and then choose from photos to select an image from the photo library. If the image is located elsewhere, you have to hit the choose option and then select the image that you want to use, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily set a photo as a FaceTime video background on your Mac running macOS 15 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.